Then we're gonna carve into here, and we're gonna at an angle come and start chipping away at this right here. We're gonna chip away right here to get this design right here at an angle, and that's gonna be our first move. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are carving a tiki statue using carving tools as well as my Dremel 4300. So let us begin. And I'm going to show you exactly what I do to carve into the wood correctly the first time and not mess up a piece of wood. So we're gonna make this the shape of the tiki to a cylinder. You're gonna have the design in front of you, and then we're going to draw with a small tool like this. We're gonna draw the crown here, right? And then we're gonna focus on the eye. And this is the inside of the eye, just right here, right? There. And the way I have it is I drew this here just to give me some guide. So this is what they did. They dug into here and they carved this first. You can clearly see it. So we're gonna do that and see if that actually makes sense. All right. And it will be a lot more easier doing it with wood than this. But you see what I'm trying to do. All right, so we got that done. Now this part right here, what they did is they dug into the outside of the crown, and they literally came in at an angle here, and they removed this. Again, it's difficult to do it with Play-Doh, but you see what I'm doing. Okay, and they smoothed this out, and did the same thing over here on this side. They came at an angle here. See? And we'll clean it up. Again, it's difficult with the Play-Doh, but you see what I'm trying to do? Trying to achieve this exact design and how it was carved. So, strategy is gonna be, we're gonna dig in, do a straight line here, and then I'm gonna do straight line. We're gonna carve into here, and we're gonna carve into here. We're gonna remove this, and then we're gonna carve into here, and we're gonna at an angle come and start chipping away at this right here. We're gonna chip away right here to get this design right here at an angle, and that's gonna be our first move. All right, okay, let's begin. Just want to point something out. So when you're cutting, you always wanna set where your cut is going to end. Because if you just start doing this, you're just gonna continue to take the line of the crust of the wood. So if I was to do this now, here, right here, if I was to do this now and continue cutting and chiseling and not have this line right here stopping that cut, see? Then it would just continue to cut, which I almost did right there. So please be aware that when you're chiseling, you always want to tell the chisel or the wood where you want it to stop running. So Very important. Always set where you want the cut to stop running before you start doing this, because you're just going to take a big chunk of crust. Okay, something important I want to point out. I completely forgot. This chipped away because I hit it a little bit too hard, and it's the end. And this area here doesn't have much wood, so of course it's kind of weak. But I found it, and I'm gonna glue it. I completely forgot that this could happen. But yeah, don't make my mistake. Be careful when you're at these little areas right here where there isn't much wood. Go chip away at it very slowly, because it will start breaking on you. That's right. That's how you do it. too hot. They gotta let it cool off just a little bit. Throw another one in there.
Country classes.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So here is the finished project, and the bottom one I did a while back, and this is the one we just finished. And I went ahead and I got some burned wood from my fireplace, and I took that burned wood and I painted it. As you can see, this is all charcoal from the burned wood that I use, just to give it more personality. And then I also went ahead and created a little bit more shadows over here and here to create more depth to the piece and make it stand out even more, give it a little bit more personality. But this is it. I hope you liked it, and I hope you create one in your own home. And if you did like it, please don't forget to click like. And if you want to see more of my projects, don't forget to subscribe. And this lovely flower you see right here is actually made of plaster of Paris, as well as regular construction plaster. And I have a video for that if you are interested in creating one in your own home. Just check out the rest of my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.